During a wildfire, smoke can make the outdoor air unhealthy to breathe. Local officials may advise you to stay indoors during a smoke event. You should be aware that some of the smoke from outdoors can enter your home and make it unhealthy to breathe indoor air too. If you're close to a wildfire, the fire itself, as well as heavy smoke and ash, can pose serious, immediate risks to your safety and health. You and your family should be prepared to evacuate immediately if told to do so. These microscopic particles can get into your eyes and respiratory system, where they can cause health problems such as burning eyes, runny nose, and illnesses such as bronchitis. Fine particles also can aggravate chronic heart and lung diseases. If you're healthy, you're usually not at a major risk from short-term exposure to smoke. Still, it's a good idea to avoid breathing smoke. Creating a clean room helps keep levels of smoke and other particles as low as possible during wildfire smoke events. Choose a room big enough for everyone in the household. A bedroom with an attached bathroom is a great choice. Prevent smoke from entering by closing windows and doors. Run fans and air conditioning if possible. Turn off your AC fresh air option and run it in recirculation mode. If you have an air purifier, run it. If you don't have one, go to this link for how to build a do-it-yourself air purifier. Avoid creating more smoke. Don't light candles, fry food, or smoke. Spend as much time as possible in the clean air room. Keep yourself and your family safe this wildfire season and be prepared to evacuate when told to do so. Go to listoscalifornia.org for more information. Stay safe out there.